Hi, Bellry families. We are so excited that you are joining us for our fourth grade open house this year for virtual learning. Each year, Belle Reve Elementary has a theme that carries throughout the whole year. This year's theme is Belle Reve Leaders, Build a Better Tomorrow. If you are a new family to fourth grade, we had a lot of construction over the summer. Before, we did not have walls that went all the way to the ceiling in third through fifth grade. This summer, we had a ton of construction at Belle Reve, so the construction theme is just very fitting for everything that we have gone through this past year.
Hello, fourth grade families. My name is Brooke Irvin, and I am one of the fourth grade teachers here at Belle Reve. This is the start of my third year teaching, and it's my second year teaching fourth grade at Belle Reve. I went to Lindbergh High School, and I graduated from the University of Arkansas in Fayetteville in 2018, and I am actually starting grad school this fall. In my free time, I love to spend time with my family. I love to go camping and hiking, pretty much anything outdoors, and I love to travel to new places. I know that this is a very unique start to the school year, and it does not look anything like we had hoped, but I am still just so looking forward to a wonderful year. I've already had so much fun getting to know all of your amazing children and building our virtual community, and I look forward to an amazing rest of fourth grade. Please know that we are here to support you in any way that we can, answer any questions that you have, or talk you through anything that you guys may be having questions or concerns over. So I'm looking forward to a wonderful year.
Hi, everyone. My name is Ashley Jelovic, and I am one of the fourth grade teachers at Belle Reve this year. This will be my sixth year at Belle Reve and my third year in fourth grade. Before teaching fourth grade, I was a building teacher's assistant, and I did my student teaching at Belle Reve as well. I graduated from Missouri State University with my degree in elementary education. Following that, I got my master's degree in reading through UMSL, and I recently finished my reading specialist certification. I love learning and I love going to school. So right now I am in the process of getting my second master's degree in teaching English as a second language through Webster, and I will graduate this upcoming May. I am so excited to be back in fourth grade this year.
Hi, fourth grade families. I'm Mrs. Sanders. This is my sixth year teaching and my second year teaching at Belle Reve Elementary. I graduated from Miami of Ohio University with a degree in early childhood education. I also have my master's in curriculum and teaching, and I'm a certified reading specialist. I'm so excited to be working with your family this school year.
Hi, fourth grade families. Miss Irvin here. I just wanted to talk to you all a little bit about what a typical day in the life of your fourth grader will look like. So on the clipboard, you'll see our daily schedule, and that starts at 8:30 with a community circle time. And from that time, we go straight into our reading lesson. The structure of our reading lesson is going to be 15 minutes before we head into a reading workshop time. So during those 15 minutes for the lesson, your child will be on Zoom listening to a live lesson from their teacher. And then during that workshop time, it might look different every day. So some days your child might be staying on Zoom, meeting with the teacher, talking to classmates about our assignment or our reading for that day. And sometimes they might be away from their computer, reading in a cozy spot in your house and completing their assignments from there. We then have a 15-minute break and come back for our math lesson, where again, they have a 15-minute live lesson with your child's teacher. And then there will be certain assignments to complete. Sometimes that will be together as a class or with partners, and sometimes it will be completed independently. After that, we have an hour-long lunch, and when we come back from lunch, we complete our writing workshop, where again, it's a 15-minute lesson on Zoom, and then sometimes your child will be on Zoom working on their writing with their teacher, and sometimes it will be done independently away from the computer. After that, there's a 15-minute break, and then all of fourth grade will go to specials. We will make sure that your children know what specials they are going to that day. And later on, we will be sending out a weekly newsletter where we state what day the week starts out on. So if Monday starts on an A day, and then Tuesday will be a B day, and so on and so forth. So the afternoon is a little bit different. When we come back from specials, your child is no longer going to their individual teacher's Zoom. We are going on a big fourth grade Zoom with all of the fourth grade teachers and fourth grade students. This just allows your child to get to meet all of the fourth grade teachers and get to know them and get to see their classmates that they're not getting to see since we aren't in the building. So we have a community circle time. We get to read aloud. Right now we're reading aloud an awesome chapter book called The One and Only Bob. And then we have a 15-minute science or social studies lesson, depending on what unit we're in, before your child goes off for their independent work time at the very end of the day. Now we know that every child's day looks a little bit different when we're in the building. So what we did is that we created an individual schedule for every student. And that's what you'll see on the left-hand side of the screen that has highlighted in blue. So on this schedule, it has the times of the day and exactly what we're doing, along with the Zoom link for that time of the day. So in the beginning, if you were in Miss Jelovich's class, it has her Zoom link, and then in the afternoon, it switches to fourth grade. This also goes for if your child sees a different teacher for reading, or is a part of a different class at any time of the day, that will be indicated on their schedule. So these were emailed to you at the beginning of the school year, but they can also be found on Schoology under Schedule. We have a folder called Schedule, and you can find it there. It is also bookmarked on your children's Chromebooks. So if you guys are looking for that, we have had them bookmarked it so that they can always find it throughout the day. Lastly, we have our daily to-do list. Now, these are new as of this week. So last week, our first week of teaching was just spent so much on building our new classroom communities, getting to know each other, and setting up our virtual routines and procedures and kind of exploring what that looks like with the beginning of the school year. So these are starting this week, and there's going to be a different to-do list for every single day of the week, and it will be updated daily. So these can be found, we're going to call them our daily to-dos. They can be found on Schoology in a daily to-do folder. The icon for this folder is a notebook. So when you're looking for the folder on Schoology, it is a notebook and it says daily to-do. So it will be updated every single day. This example on the presentation is from this Monday. So it will have every single subject that we completed that day and what assignments were needed. We just know that there's a lot going on, and we thought it would be nice to have all of this information in one place, especially if you're wondering what assignments that your child needed to get done that day, or if they have completed all of their assignments. This is one place that you can go to see everything that needed to be completed after our mini lesson. So we're encouraging students to have this up throughout the day so that if they are independently working, they can open this tab and be reminded of what they need to do. So for example, on math from Monday, there were 3 different things that needed to be completed after the mini lesson. So you will find those on Schoology in our daily to-do folder, and they will be updated weekly.
Here are some tech tips for virtual learning for 4th grade. The big thing is logging into Schoology. Parents, you also have access to this, and families in general. And I'm going to show you in a minute exactly how to get on Schoology using our Bellerive website. Another friendly reminder that I know has worked really well is setting timers throughout the school day. You can do that with just a kitchen timer, or also students can use it on their Chromebooks and set a timer that way. Lastly, what's really important is to make sure their Chromebooks are charged and plugged in. We have been so proud of our 4th graders for being on time to their Zoom meetings, asking questions when they need help, and staying engaged. We know these are going to only continue. Now I'm going to show you what Schoology looks like. So I'm going to log off of this. If you just open up a new tab, you're going to go to Bellerive's website. And on Bellerive's website, you're going to click Distance Learning and go to Schoology. Once you get on there, I'm already signed in, but you're going to use your login information and sign in with that. If you have any problems and need help logging into Schoology, please feel free to email your child's teacher, and we would be happy to assist you with that. Once you're on Schoology, you can go up to Courses, and you're going to see all the courses that your child is enrolled in. And with this, They're going to have way more than just 2. They have them for all of the specials, so in art and music and PE. And if they're also in orchestra, they would have that for that as well. So that's our class right there. This is specifically for Mrs. Sanders' class, but Miss Irvin's and Miss Jelovic's classes look very similar as well. So on here, there's tons of different helpful links. You have our daily to-dos, which is a great way to double check what your child needs to do each day. Here's also Zoom links so that you can click on there so you know exactly what Zoom links your child needs to be on. There's going to be recorded lessons in here. With the recorded lessons, we'll have all of our mini lessons that are taught in those 15 minutes in that folder. So if your child misses the lesson, that they can go back and rewatch it. Or if they need help throughout the day with that specific topic, they can go back and watch those recorded lessons as well. Our class schedule is here. Our class schedule says exactly what the fourth grade schedule is, and we also have a schedule for each individual child with their Zoom links. This is also bookmarked on their Chromebooks, and they use it almost every single day to log in. Here is just teacher contact, a little bit more information about each of us and how to contact us. Our email is also on there. Class information has some information about Schoology and just information overall about our class. You can also find information on there about strings and how to sign up for that as well. We also want to make you aware that you can always reach out to the Technology Help Desk if you have any questions or need technical support throughout virtual learning. You can call them at 314-415-8181, or you can also email them at helpdesk@parkwayschools.net. They're open Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you cannot get a hold of them on the phone, I would highly suggest to email them and someone will get right back to you.
Continuing on with our construction theme, we have construction-themed leadership t-shirts for students to purchase this year. It is a tradition that students at Belle Reve have leadership t-shirts from each year that they are a student here. Ordering this year is a little bit different. Ordering will take place through Infinite Campus, and those orders must be received by September 11th. If you have any questions about ordering or need help, please call the front desk at Belle Reve Elementary, and one of our secretaries will be able to help you. To make virtual learning a little bit more exciting, we have fun Fridays each week. So on Friday, each week we'll have a different theme. One week it might be a superhero theme, the other week might be wearing crazy socks, crazy hair, or wearing Belle Reve spirit gear. We can't wait to see your participation, and please send pictures to Dr. DeBosch. Thank you so much for viewing our presentation this year for Open House. We invite you to visit our Belle Reve 4th grade virtual open house question and answer session this Wednesday. We will have 2 sessions. The first will be from 6:30 to 7 p.m. and the second from 7:15 to 7:45. If you have any specific questions relating to your child, we ask that you please email your child's individual teacher and we can help you there. We cannot wait to see you guys later this week, and please reach out if you need anything. We are all on a team working together. Thank you so much.